Did you know that Penn's West Philadelphia campus is home to a working farm and orchard? Spread over a third of an acre between our sports fields and the rail line, the Penn Park Farm and Orchard contains fruit trees, berry bushes, and planting beds for growing eggplant, tomatoes, and more. The food harvested goes towards supporting those in our community facing food insecurity, providing thousands of pounds of fresh fruits and vegetables to our community annually. On and off the farm, the Penn Food and Wellness Collaborative supports programming that includes internships, workshops, volunteer opportunities, and more. It's just one of the many ways Penn students, staff, and faculty can get involved, while also getting their hands dirty. Visit Penn Sustainability online to discover even more ways to get involved.